Oh shit. Ugh. How long I've been sleeping? What, buddy? What the fuck? Where am I? Oh my god, what could have possibly freaking happened? What the fuck? The hell? Oh, where's my shit at? Where's all my shit? Pussy. Oh shit, what happened to your arm? Oh, holy fuck. Yeah, I'll leave from here. Where the fuck did my buddy go? Maybe he got me in this strange, mysterious, fucked up place. It's not the desert anymore. I don't know where the fuck I am. You should. The hell? You should know where you are because this ain't your fucking place, buddy. What are you, a foreign outsider or some shit like that? What? No. What are you talking about? Well, then scatter along before we kill your ass. We? Fuck boy. Yeah, fuck boy. We're gonna steal you for all your money. And then maybe we're gonna do more to you. Your ass is gonna jump me right now? Fuck you guys. Shit. I gotta think. What am I gonna do? They're all on my ass right now. I'm high-key fucked. Fucked to the max. They are all towering me right now, bro. And it would be fucking awesome if some superhero come get me. Fuck this shit. Did his ass just... His ass just ran. What the hell? How do you catch up to me so fast? You're speaking in your mind right now. Probably thinking, how did I catch up to you so fast? It's because I'm the fucking goat, bitch. And if you got a problem with it, I'd like you to solve it. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you in, and you can't do shit about it, bitch. Stop calling me bitch, dumb shit! Damn it! Okay. I don't know who you think you are, but it's... If you can't even get to him, how do you expect to get to all of us? You're a fucking lone fox, dude. Yeah, you better keep that shit to yourself. Keep that shit to myself? What the fuck are you talking about? Don't worry about him. That's our boss. He's a little retarded. You said he's a little bitch. You goddamn yapping got him running away. There's no point in running. I'm way faster than you are. Damn. What are you gonna do to me? Kidnap me and rape me or some shit? What? What the fuck? You gonna do what to you? Never mind. Back up. I have a weapon. I have a goddamn weapon. We finna jump your ass, jump your ass, jump your ass. Huh? Who the fuck was that? God damn it, it's him. You say you swear to God that's Bonds. Oh, fuck shit, fart duty. I'd recommend staying away. You're always in the fiending with our meal. Hell yeah, he is. Piss me off. You think I care about your fucking stupid fucked up meals? You eat people for fun. Is that what you were planning to do with this little lad? This world is halfway fucking destroyed. Why wouldn't we eat people? We don't have no goddamn animals in sight. Why don't you guys just fucking eat each other? What he said, it'd be better if you can get rid of yourselves. Gosh, do you ever stop fucking talking? Bitch. Got my boy, bitch. Fucking kill you. I'll kill you. You're not done right now, so I'll fucking die. Stay back. I'll always every fucking one of you. What? I said before I beat every one of your ass. Hey, bitch. Bitch, pussy. Stop it.